Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas, this is Awesome Wood Things. I made Frosty the Snowman out of pallet wood and I mostly used the scroll saw. Stick around, I'll show you how I made it.
I created this design in Adobe Illustrator and it's available for free on the Instructables site. I did a lot of scroll sawing the patterns. I don't show them all on camera, but you get the idea. Here I use acrylic paint. Looks like a carrot. I really like these facial features. This was not my design. Another woodworker came up with it, Mr. David Bishop. I asked him if I could recreate this, and he said yes. That's awesome. His information is linked in the video description. Check him out. Not surprisingly, he's awesome. Here's one of the few tools that is not a scroll saw. This is my benchtop disc sander. Does a good job of bringing the artwork right up to the line. I tried to get this cut as perfect as I could because I didn't want to sand inside that shape. I used spray paint for any part that is black or red. I don't know why I did that. Here I'm making a flower that will go on Frosty's top hat, which I'll make in a moment. I had an old bucket of paint, so why not use it? Here the top hat's being made. Pretty simple. I like to glue wood on wood. That's why I masked off that area. Alright, this took forever. Trust me, I got through it. This scrap piece of rebar will be the stake that holds it into the ground. This is how I ensure those two pieces will stay together. These 2x4s will capture the stake. See, I have a hole in my desk there on that vise, and this large bit just drops right through. Easy. Now, I didn't want to go the whole way through this one, so that piece of tape makes sure I don't. I jam the rebar in. It lays flat. And I glue it to the back and secure it with clamps. And I had a little bit of construction adhesive left, so I made sure that that got in there really good. My lady. I don't know why I did that either. And again, I like to glue wood on wood, so I stripped some of the acrylic paint away. And now I just glue the pieces on, one by one. Did you see the Santa Pat Lap graphic? The first person that puts the timestamp where that first appeared in the video description wins a free sticker from Awesome Wood Things. Remember, the pattern for this project is on Instructables. A link is in the description and it's for free. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There are a lot more build videos coming. You don't want to miss them. Hit that bell icon too so you'll get notified every time. Thanks, Internet.